Welcome. Did you know Bose professional Videobar VB devices come pre-configured so they can be pulled out of the box, connected to a computer, and be quickly deployed for a UC conference call? This provides a basic user the ability to set up and use a VB device as a USB peripheral for microphone, speakerphone, and camera with system control via the IR remote in less than a few minutes. But what if you need to unlock the enriched features built into a Bose professional Videobar VB device? These can easily be unlocked through a comprehensive suite of software packages. In this tutorial, you'll be provided a quick explanation about each software application and their use cases. So let's get started. Bose Professional provides software packages for configuration, management, and control. They are Videobar Configuration, Videobar Administration, and Videobar Mobile. Plus, Videobar Configuration comes in two different versions, a standalone app or web UI. Each of them connects and communicates differently. As seen, Videobar Configuration connects via a USB, Videobar Configuration Web UI, and Videobar Administration via network, and Videobar Mobile App via Bluetooth Low Energy. I'll explain their connection methodology as you learn about each of them. Let's start with Videobar Configuration. Connection is made via direct USB-C. It has dual-purpose use as a home page allows users control over the connected Videobar VB device. Its second but primary purpose is a password-protected administration section providing access to the enriched features, including configuration settings for camera, microphone, audio, profiles, and preset recall, all of which will be explained further in separate tutorials. Videobar Configuration provides a live camera view on the home page as well as within the camera and microphone sections of the administration pages, so you can visually observe the settings as they are adjusted. If the network connection is configured on the VB device, you can leverage Videobar Configuration Web UI by opening a web browser and typing in the IP address of the Videobar into the URL field. It is intended for use by administrators so they can remotely access the Videobar. It provides the same password-protected admin pages as a standalone app without the user control homepage. Please note, while the VB1 supports wired and wireless network connections, the VBS only supports wireless. If the VB device is also directly connected to your computer via USB, it also provides a live camera preview for the video and microphone admin pages. The next app is Videobar Administration. Its intended use is for system administrators and for locations with multiple VB devices installed. Connection is made over the network and allows the administrator to simply deploy and manage many Videobars from anywhere on the network. Through Videobar Administration, you can discover and configure all VB devices on the network, push updates, and create and deploy profile settings for one or many devices simultaneously. The last app is Videobar Mobile. It is intended for use by system users via a Bluetooth connection between a Videobar and an Apple or Android mobile device. This app duplicates the function of the IR remote control for personal wireless system control for camera, audio playback, and preset recalls. You can also stream audio from your mobile device to the Videobar over Bluetooth. So here's a breakdown of the software by use case. For user control, you have the Videobar Configuration homepage or Videobar Mobile App. For access to admin configuration settings, you have Videobar Configuration Standalone App, its Web UI version, and Videobar Administration. For remote network management, you can leverage Videobar Configuration Web UI for a single unit or Videobar Administration for one or multiple devices. To close this tutorial, your key takeaways are: Bose Professional Videobar VB devices come pre-configured for out-of-the-box use as a USB microphone, camera, and speakerphone. To unlock the full potential VB devices, Bose Professional provides a complete software suite with 4 applications. Each software has intended use cases with different connection methods for local and remote access. That's it. Please be sure to watch our separate tutorials providing in-depth explanations about each of the software packages. See you there.